If you want a simple way to collect leads, organize customer information, and send everything directly into your CRM without manual work, then Connexify can be a very helpful tool for you. It captures leads from your forms, landing pages, and messages, and then sends the data straight into your CRM or email platform. This means you avoid typing the details again and again, and sales process become faster and more organized. Today I will explain how Connexify works, why it is beginner friendly, and how the lifetime deal on AppSumo can save a lot of time and money. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to find powerful tool with the great discounts. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to get the discounted offer. When you use the link from description, the discount is applied automatically without any code. Now let's talk about the Connexify. And let's talk about why many marketers and small business owners use it. The main idea behind Connexify is very simple. When someone fills out a form, sends a message or submit their information, the platform captures the data instantly, and instead of you logging in somewhere or copying the details and pasting them into your CRM, Connexify does all of that in the background automatically. When you open the dashboard for the first time, you will notice everything looks clean and easy to understand. You don't need any technical knowledge to set it up. You just connect your form source, choose your CRM or platform, and tell the Connexify where the data should go. After that, every lead flows into your system without you touching anything. This is perfect for beginners who want automation but don't want any complicated tools. One of the biggest strengths of Connexify is that how well it works with different platforms. You can connect it to your landing page builder, website forms, email tools, ad forms, and many other places where leads come in. On the other side, you can send all of this collected data to your CRM, newsletter service, spreadsheet, marketing tool, or sales platform. Everything stays synced even if you change something later. Another powerful feature is the real-time syncing. As soon as leads submit their name, email, phone number, Connexify pushes all of this into your system immediately. This is important because fast follow-up increases your chance of getting sales. When leads get a quick reply, they are more likely to stay interested in your product or services. Connexify also helps you to stop losing the leads. Sometimes we miss leads because forms don't connect properly or messages get lost in different inboxes. Connexify monitors your sources and makes sure every lead is captured and saved. Even if one of your forms stops working for a moment, the system keeps the data secure. This gives you peace of mind because you know your leads are always safe. Another helpful feature is the data cleanup. Many times we get leads with missing information or incorrect details. Connexify can help you to fix this issue by formatting the data and organizing it properly before sending it to your CRM. This keeps your CRM clean and reduces the confusion later. And the tagging feature is also very useful. When a lead sign up for something specific, Connexify can automatically add a tag based on the action. For example, if someone downloads a guide or joins a webinar or fills a contact form, then you can label them directly inside your CRM. This makes your follow-up work much easier because you know exactly what the lead is interested in. Another benefit is the active tracking. Connexify shows you where your leads are coming from and which channels perform the best. This helps you to understand your audience and make better marketing decisions. If you see that a certain landing page brings more lead, you can focus more on that page. If one ad is not performing well, you can fix it quickly. Connexify also helps teams stay organized. When new leads arrive, the system can notify the right people or the right team member or send the lead to a specific workspace. This makes sure that no lead is forgotten and everyone knows what to do. Now let's talk about the lifetime deal on AppSumo, which is one of the biggest reasons people choose the Connexify. Most automation tool and CRM sync, they can charge monthly fees, and this fees increases as your team grows or your business collects more leads. So over the time this becomes more expensive. But with the lifetime deal on AppSumo of Connexify, you can pay once and use the tool forever. And with the lifetime deal on AppSumo, you get the long-term value with just a one-time payment. So that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. And remember to use the link from description to get the lifetime discount automatically. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.